cTrader legit? Is it a good trading platform? Let's talk about it in this video. So people want to know, is cTrader legit? Can you trust cTrader? Is it safe to use for trading your money online? So definitely, cTrader is legit. It's made by a company called Sportware. The company has been around for many years, so it's actually a legit company behind the platform, and it's super secure. The company has made sure that they use strong encryption to keep your info safe whilst you are doing your trading. So that's another bonus, and it's trusted by several brokers. There are several brokers that do offer cTrader as a trading platform. Of course, there are brokers that offer your popular MetaTrader platform, but there are brokers that also offer cTrader to their clients because it's a reliable and trusted platform for trading. And it does have high ratings on Trustpilot, which means you can actually trust the software, the app, when people are rating it high on Trustpilot. And it offers very cool features, a lot of cool features, some of the stuff that you cannot even find in your standard MetaTrader. So that's another plus that you can also add to cTrader. There's some of the things that you might just want to watch out for is customer support. Some users claim that if they find problems with the app or software, they don't usually get the support that they think they should be having. And some people also say that the mobile platform, the desktop platform is fine, but the mobile platform is a little bit laggy. Sometimes they want it to load way faster because the selling point of cTrader is that it's fast. So yeah, it's not a broker. You need to have a broker that holds your money. Then you can connect your broker to cTrader and you can use cTrader for trading. And cTrader is definitely legit. It's a definitely legit platform for trading.